Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Hacking tools are becoming increasingly popular. Kali Linux and Termux are at the forefront. These platforms offer powerful tools for security researchers and hackers. Ethical hackers use these tools to find vulnerabilities. Unfortunately, malicious actors can exploit these same tools. The open-source nature of these platforms encourages collaboration. Developers are constantly creating new tools. These tools push the boundaries of cybersecurity. It's a cat-and-mouse game. As security improves, new tools emerge to circumvent it. In 2024, a new tool emerged, sending ripples through the cybersecurity community: WhatsHack. Designed specifically for WhatsApp, this tool offers unprecedented access to the popular messaging platform. WhatsAck's release raised eyebrows. Its capabilities sparked debate about the privacy of WhatsApp. Security enthusiasts and hackers alike were eager to explore its potential. WhatsAck boasts an impressive array of features that make it a standout tool in the world of digital surveillance and hacking. One of its primary capabilities is the interception of messages. This means that users can capture and read conversations in real time, providing them with immediate access to the information being exchanged. Even more impressively, WhatsAck can bypass end-to-end encryption. This feature allows users to decrypt messages that are otherwise protected, making it possible to access information that would typically be secure. This makes it a powerful tool for surveillance, enabling users to monitor multiple devices and gather comprehensive data from various sources. Message interception. Capture and read WhatsApp conversations in real time. This feature is particularly useful for those who need to stay ahead of the curve in information gathering. Encryption bypass. Decrypt and access encrypted messages. This capability ensures that no conversation is out of reach, regardless of the security measures in place. Contact extraction. Download and analyze contact lists from targeted accounts. This feature allows users to build a network of connections and understand the relationships between different individuals. Media access. Retrieve photos, videos, and voice messages. By accessing media files, users can gather additional context and evidence from the conversations. Remote account control. Take over a WhatsApp account remotely. This feature provides users with full control over the target account, allowing them to send and receive messages as if they were the account owner. These features make WhatsAck incredibly powerful and versatile, suitable for a wide range of applications from personal security to investigative work. However, in the wrong hands, it can be used for malicious purposes. It's crucial to use such a tool responsibly and ethically, ensuring that it serves to protect rather than harm. WhatsAck was specifically designed for Termux and Kali Linux. These platforms are popular among security researchers. They offer the flexibility and tools needed to run WhatsAck effectively. Termux compatibility. WhatsAck can be easily installed and used within the Termux environment on Android devices. Kali Linux integration. The tool seamlessly integrates with Kali Linux, leveraging its powerful command line interface. This compatibility makes WhatsAck accessible. Users can deploy it on various devices. This increases its potential impact. Section 5. Setting up WhatsAck, a step-by-step guide. In this section, we will walk you through the entire process of setting up and using WhatsAck, a powerful tool designed for advanced users. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a professional, this guide will help you get started. Installing and using WhatsAck is straightforward. However, it does require some basic technical knowledge. Don't worry if you're not an expert. We'll break down each step to make it as simple as possible. Users need a basic understanding of the command line. Here's a simplified guide. First, ensure that your system meets the necessary requirements. This includes having a compatible operating system and sufficient storage space. First, download and install the WhatsAck package from a reputable source and install it using the package manager. Make sure to verify the integrity of the downloaded file to avoid any potential security risks. Next, open your terminal and type WhatsAck to launch the tool. This command will initialize the software and prepare it for use. You should see a welcome message confirming that WhatsAck is ready. Then, enter the target's phone number to establish a connection. Be sure to double-check the number for accuracy, as any mistakes could lead to failed attempts or incorrect data. Finally, use the on-screen menu to navigate and select desired features. The menu is designed to be user-friendly, offering various options to customize your experience and achieve your objectives. Users should follow instructions carefully. Each step is crucial for the successful operation of WhatsAck. Take your time to read through the guidelines and understand each part of the process. Incorrect usage can lead to errors or unexpected consequences. Always double-check your inputs and follow the recommended procedures to avoid any issues. If you encounter any problems, refer to the troubleshooting section of the user manual or seek help from the community. Section 6. WhatsAck in Action, Practical Applications. While WhatsAck presents ethical concerns, it also has legitimate uses. For instance, in law enforcement, it can be used to investigate criminal activity and gather evidence in cybercrime cases. In security research, it helps identify vulnerabilities in WhatsApp's security and develop countermeasures. And in penetration testing, it simulates attacks to assess the security posture of organizations. It is crucial to use WhatsAck responsibly and ethically. Misuse can have serious legal and ethical consequences. Section 7. The Security Tightrope Risks and Best Practices. WhatsAck's power comes with inherent risks. Users must be aware of the potential dangers. Privacy violations occur when there's unauthorized access to personal conversations, which is a breach of privacy. Data theft is another risk, where sensitive information can be stolen and misused. Legal repercussions are also a concern. Using WhatsAck for illegal activities can lead to prosecution. It's crucial to use WhatsAck responsibly. Always obtain consent before accessing someone's account. Section 8. WhatsAck and the Future of Cybersecurity. WhatsAck's emergence has significant implications. This tool, which has taken the cybersecurity world by storm, is not just another hacking tool. It represents a new era in the way we think about digital security and privacy. The capabilities of WhatsAck are vast, allowing hackers to exploit vulnerabilities in ways we haven't seen before. This has sent shockwaves through the tech community, prompting urgent discussions and actions. It highlights the vulnerabilities of messaging apps. These apps, which we use daily for personal and professional communication, are now under scrutiny. The ease with which WhatsAck can infiltrate these platforms has raised alarms. Users are now more aware of the potential risks every time they send a message or share a file. This newfound awareness is crucial in the fight against cyber threats. One major impact is increased awareness, not just among developers and tech professionals, but also among everyday users. Conferences and seminars are now focusing more on the importance of securing messaging apps. The general public is becoming more educated about the steps they can take to protect their data. This shift in awareness is a positive outcome of the WhatsAck phenomenon. WhatsAck has forced developers to improve security measures. The race is on to patch vulnerabilities and create more robust security protocols. Developers are working around the clock to stay ahead of potential threats. This has led to a surge in innovation within the cybersecurity industry. New tools and techniques are being developed to counteract the capabilities of WhatsAck, making our digital world a bit safer each day. The tool has also reignited the debate over encryption and its role in cybersecurity. Encryption has always been a double-edged sword. While it protects our data, it can also be exploited by those with malicious intent. WhatsAck has brought this debate back to the forefront, with experts discussing the balance between privacy and security. Should encryption be strengthened, or should there be backdoors for law enforcement? These are the questions being asked in the wake of WhatsAck. Additionally, WhatsAck is a sign of evolving threats, indicating increasingly sophisticated cyber threats. The landscape of cyber threats is constantly changing, and WhatsAck is a testament to that evolution. Hackers are becoming more skilled, and their tools more advanced. This means that cybersecurity measures must also evolve to keep pace. The battle between hackers and cybersecurity professionals is ongoing, and WhatsAck is just the latest chapter in this story. WhatsAck is a powerful tool with the potential for both good and bad. In the right hands, it can be used to identify and fix vulnerabilities, making systems more secure. However, in the wrong hands, it can cause significant damage. This duality is what makes WhatsAck so intriguing and dangerous. It serves as a reminder of the power of technology and the importance of using it responsibly. Its impact on cybersecurity will continue to unfold in the years to come. As we look to the future, it's clear that WhatsAck will play a significant role in shaping the cybersecurity landscape. The lessons we learn from it will inform our strategies and policies. The ongoing battle between security and vulnerability will be influenced by tools like WhatsAck, making it a pivotal point in the history of cybersecurity. Section 9 Conclusion. WhatsHack is a game changer. Its powerful capabilities have significant implications for cybersecurity. While it can be a valuable tool for security professionals, it also poses risks if misused. As we navigate the evolving landscape of cybersecurity, it is crucial to approach tools like WhatsHack with caution, responsibility, and a deep understanding of their potential impact.